Hi guys, it's Amekamat, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels Subaru Impreza WRX with gray, dark wheels, pink and black with 4.5. You can collect them all with Fiat 500, 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600, Mini Cooper S Challenge, and custom 1969 Volkswagen Squareback, and I already have this. There's a Fiat trademark, Ford Motor Company trademark, Volkswagen trademark, Yokohama trademark, and Subaru trademark, and BMW Mini trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail. Pan to side with number 3. Rear with spoiler. Driver side. And roof. The code says S36. That's the code. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And I will see you again in the next video.